one.
I bought mine at Sam's Club for $89. Just to let you know what's going on here, these are my redneck friends. And this is a homemade beer can engine with the gas tank hanging from a hoist.
Is there any other way?
And a 5-gallon can for a radiator. And it looks like a Harley Davidson motorcycle battery. Only an Aces hanger will you experience something like this.
You better tell them what it's made out of too.
I'm about to.
Oh, okay.
Pull that off of there, will you? Thanks to Miller Lite, mostly, and a little bit of Bud Light.
Blows my mind how hot that water comes out of that. It's good to try it, I guarantee you that. Yeah. You think?
We're thinking this is going to turn in the low 10s going down the Las Vegas Speedway strip.
Or not.
Or not.
Well, probably more on the not.
See you, Max.
Taking off, buddy? Okay.
What does the radiator temperature say there, Brock?
Let's say, somewhat 103, 104.